On Capitol Hill Wednesday, Senator Tammy Baldwin grilled President Donald Trump's choice to lead the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Her focus, the lead crisis in Milwaukee public schools, which forced the shutdown of several buildings and blood tests for hundreds of students. Spectrum News 1 Washington correspondent Charlotte Scott has more.
This is an easy yes or no question.
Senator Tammy Baldwin of Wisconsin appearing visibly frustrated Wednesday as she questioned President Donald Trump's nominee to lead the Centers for Disease Control about her commitment to the federal childhood lead poisoning prevention program.
This should be a priority. Are you willing to say yes, that you will assure that adequate staffing exists within the childhood lead poisoning prevention program, which just a couple weeks ago had 0 staff, and look at Milwaukee's application for assistance?
So I will look.
Okay, can I hear that? Yes?
I will look at the staffing, and I will ensure that these public health priorities have the capacity necessary to deliver the critical services to the American people.
The program was effectively shut down in the weeks after President Trump took office, when his administration laid off tens of thousands of federal workers across the government to reduce spending. Now the Department of Health and Human Services says it's rehiring more than 450 previously fired CDC employees.
6 schools needed to close for remediation. 1,800 young school children were displaced.
Baldwin, a Democrat, says she followed up by asking HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. about the childhood lead poisoning prevention program in Milwaukee's request for assistance, but has not heard back.
If I am confirmed as a CDC director, I will look into it and I will follow up with you.
The Milwaukee Health Department says 500 to 550 children have been screened for lead poisoning. 2 schools remain closed due to lead hazards, and 42 more will undergo lead remediation this summer. Kennedy made headlines last month when he told senators that a federal team was in Milwaukee to address the school lead crisis, and local health officials said that was not true. On Wednesday, a spokeswoman for the Milwaukee Health Department said, quote, "At this time, MHD has not received any official communication from the CDC regarding available support, but we are working to reestablish contact. If support from CDC lead experts becomes available, MHD would absolutely welcome the opportunity to collaborate, particularly to strengthen long-term mitigation planning with MPS." HHS did not answer a question about whether the childhood lead poisoning prevention program has been reinstated, but says the Trump administration is committed to safeguarding public health through lead prevention. In Washington, Charlotte Scott, Spectrum News.